Hello everyone. Is JD a buy today at current market price of $75.45? My answer is yes. However, that's just my personal opinion. That's not a financial advice. Let's discuss why I think it's a buy. We look at analyst sentiment. It's mostly positive, some neutral, social sentiment bullish. If we look at price estimate, then we see the lowest forecast is around $80, median forecast is $98, and the high forecast is somewhere around $130. That's significantly higher compared to current market price. If we see the tip rank rating, strong buy. Um, if we compare JD revenue with Amazon, then we'll see that JD's revenue is little more than a quarter of Amazon's revenue. Um, so JD is an e-commerce company out of China, and it has this direct sell to consumer business model similar to Amazon. However, you see that the size of revenue is much smaller, and Amazon has some other businesses like AWS that's highly profitable, Amazon devices, Prime Video. So we need to remove all those from Amazon, then compare with only the Amazon retail business, retail e-commerce business. So revenue is about a quarter of Amazon. However, the market cap of JD is 15 times less than Amazon's current market price. Currently, JD's market cap is $117 billion. Amazon's market cap is somewhere around $1.8 trillion. So that's 15 times higher than JD. So JD is much smaller company, so I expect higher volatility in JD's stock price. However, I also see greater potential for JD to become 2x in a short period of time if they can do things right and they can compete successfully. Um, so we need to consider both risk and the reward. Operating margin of JD is pretty low. That's a concern, of course. Amazon's operating margin is higher because it has this highly profitable cloud business. Um, I see slight improvements over time in JD's operating margin, but it's still pretty low. Cash on hand, JD has a decent amount of cash, $20 billion. That's not too bad. That's pretty good. However, that's much smaller than Alibaba or Amazon. JD has this exponential revenue growth year over year. That is something I like. JD has a strong logistics and quality control. They have more than 1,000 warehouses all across China. And JD has some good relationships with some big companies. For example, Tencent. Tencent is the social media leader in China and one of the largest companies in China. Tencent is an investor in JD and they also have a strategic partnership. Similarly, Walmart is also an investor in JD and they have a strategic alliance. So considering all this, I do believe that JD is a buy at $75. However, I expect some volatility in JD's stock price in near future. Thank you.